Hello dear Leos, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March 2nd week exclusive love reading. So if you are a Leo, Sun, Moon or Rising, this reading is for you. If you're looking for a career related reading, career plus love, investment, money, that's already uploaded on my channel. You can click on the video section and look for the March monthly reading and get your reading. Okay, so let's begin. Your cards are already out. You've got the 10 of stars and the 8 of suns. And you've also got the 5 of moons and the lady card. So Leo, first of all, I do see that a lot of you have been abandoned by someone, like somebody random, like suddenly just left without giving you explanation. They just blocked you, ghosted you in a way that's the correct term these days, and because of that you're very hurt and you could be in tears, not sleeping well, not eating well as well. You have been praying for a reconciliation with this person, and the good news is that the reconciliation is on the horizon. I do see that you are constantly overthinking about this person and the past experiences and being nostalgic. Well, this person is also thinking about it. Maybe this time, this no contact gap has given them a realization. Maybe they met a lot of people in the meanwhile. They must have realized their mistakes, or they realize that there is no one as good as you, because I see somebody with a lady card here. I see somebody looking at you like a perfect, loving and nurturing person, right? Whether you are a male or a female, I do see someone seeing you like that, that you are a very good personality, very loving, very nurturing person, and somebody feels regrets their decision of leaving you or choosing someone else or whatever your situation is. Well, this person is going to realize, and in the second week you can expect a text or a call from them for reconciliation. You will be celebrating something soon, so I also see a card of celebration. So it could be the patch up or the reconciliation that you're celebrating, or a confirmation from this person that you're celebrating. If this person maybe was not ready for a commitment with you, maybe now they are ready. So definitely some sort of win, some sort of celebration is coming your way. So second week is going to be beautiful for you. If you guys resonated with this reading, or if you would like to claim the energies of this reading, you can comment I claim this energy. And you can also like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get such good news. And if you still are doubtful about something, you do have specific questions which was not answered in these general reading, whether that's regarding your love, your career, your business, your money, you can always book a reading with me or a ritual. You have to email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram as well at the Moksha Tarot. Please also follow me on Instagram, because I update everything over there regarding both my channels. My charges are very cheap, extremely cheap. My lowest charge starts at 170 rupees, where you can ask one specific question and it goes up to 1,000 something, so it's not even that expensive. Go ahead, book your reading, ask as many questions as you want and get clarity in your life. All right, so take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.